Here's the final fan in the condo. Another Hampton Bay Armitage look-alike thing. Pull chains were reversed when I got in here, but I fixed them. Same switch setup as my room. Took the shade off on that lamp for just more light. Actually, I might just keep this light on. You can see the cleaning crew never dusts these things. This is just like the other three bedroom fans, was either a Concord or an Emerson builder. The parking lot lights from the t-shirt shop in front of this building shine in through the windows, so there's always like a constant light coming in through the blinds in the front two bedrooms. It's rather annoying at night when you're trying to sleep. A good recommendation I'd make to the owners is have blackout curtains on these windows. Even at almost 12 o'clock at night, you can hear all the motorists going by on their motorcycles or in their Camaros and Mustangs. By the looks of it, this is definitely the best performing, god damn it, focus, best performing fan in the house. Why won't it focus? Come on. Doesn't have anything wrong with it yet. It does hum quite a bit, but most of these Hampton Bay crap things do. It's not lopsided. It's not shaky. Wow, I'm having really bad focusing issues. I apologize. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.